Okay, guys, introduce yourselves.
Hi guys!
So this is Danilo.
And Mara.
We are from Italy.
Which part?
I'm from Ascoli Piceno. I want to be specific. It's near Rome, in the middle.
Be careful, eh?
Yeah.
I'm from Varese, so North Italy, close to Milan.
So we met each other 5 years ago in Australia, where we used to live,
Right.
while picking fruits. We were working in farm, so we met each other there, and we started traveling from there, all the Australia and the Southeast Asia country. And from there we came back to Italy and we bought that van there, we converted it and we shipped it to Canada. So we lived for 2 years in Canada and now we're trying to do the Panamericana. So we're trying to go until Argentina.
Reach Argentina as soon as we can. Not
So you've been how many years traveling already?
now it's 5 years.
5 years.
5 years. With the van it's 2
2
years,
years.
almost 2 years.
Okay,
So
yeah,
before
because
we were traveling with backpack.
okay, perfect. You get
Course.
stuck with the pandemic and
We got stuck for 18 months in Canada, but
Okay.
we liked it anyway because
Yeah.
it's a beautiful
But you have a
country.
winter in Canada, right?
Yeah, that was the biggest problem. But,
That's why we went in the part, the
in
best
the west part,
best
which
west
is milder, but
Okay, I was just wondering how Mara and Danilo support themselves.
That's a good question.
so basically we worked for like a couple of years.
Yeah.
We saved, and now with those saving, we are traveling. And since we started traveled, we opened a YouTube channel, and she started having
Teaching.
lessons teaching Italian online. So we're making
Yes.
some money with that, but mainly we work
We
when
used
we have
to
the
work.
opportunity to work in
Like
some
what?
places.
Working in what?
Se non lo dici giustamente.
Working in farm, basically. Yeah. So we worked for 2 years in Australia with a working holiday visa. We worked
For 4 months in
for-
Canada.
in Canada with a working holiday visa. So that's what we do. So in places where we go, when we need money, we try to find a working permit and then we work.
We used to pick oranges, watermelons, all fruits, vegetables, everything.
Everything. You have fun doing that?
Yes,
Yeah, it's fun.
we like
Yeah,
it.
we met each other there,
Yes.
so it's
Okay, that's important.
Right.
That is a point. Okay, which is the best place that you've been already?
every country it's beautiful.
But give you the best memories.
Best memory, well, probably Nepal,
Nepal.
because we hiked until the Everest Base Camp.
For 22 days.
So that was the best experience, probably.
Yeah.
But if I have to pick a country, so far would be New Zealand.
Zealand.
We loved it, New Zealand.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
You have everything. You have the sea, you have the mountains, you have hills, everything.
Yeah.
Right.
But we still have to see so many other things. So it's hard. It's
We
a hard
can't-
call.
We can't choose now.
Okay, that's
What about
good.
your worst experience?
we never had a
Really
worse
bad experience, no.
No,
But
never.
probably I wouldn't go back to Vietnam. I mean, I liked it, but
Yeah.
we didn't have a bad experience.
No,
But
thanks God.
compared to the other Asian country, we didn't like it that much.
That
So much.
much.
So I'd say
Vietnam.
Vietnam, if I have to be honest.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's because you don't like, not because you have a bad experience.
No, we didn't
No,
have bad
never
experience.
had a
Never,
bad-
never
yeah.
bad experience. Really
Right.
bad. I mean, something happened like in Vietnam. They tried to get our motorbikes because we were traveling with our motorbikes.
Yeah.
And they got our motorbikes. They didn't wanna give us back. They wanted
Yeah.
money.
They wanted money, but we
So
didn't pay.
We didn't wanna pay because they were trying to
Yeah.
Still, yes.
steal it, you know. So that.
they kept our motorbike for 5 hours, and
yeah.
once in
But
a
in
while
the end, they gave us
back.
Oh, good.
But I mean, it's not that bad of an
No.
experience. It's
Yeah.
something that, you know.
It's a different
happens.
experience.
Can
It's a different
happen.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know. What,
Okay, I do have more questions. What is the best thing of traveling for you
best?
guys?
You can meet so many people, different cultures. You can see a beautiful places that you can't imagine if you stay at home.
Yeah, learning about other culture.
Yeah.
It's something that you can do on the books, but you can't experience as much as when you're traveling.
Right.
So that's the beauty of traveling. It's
Right.
meeting people, it's talking with others. It opens your mind.
Open
So
your
that's the best thing that travel
Yeah.
can give you.
Y esa respuesta la tenemos todos igual. No es que la copiamos de algún lado. Todos pensamos lo mismo, todos los viajeros. Es lo más lindo que hay, pienso yo.
So we want to say sorry for our English
Sorry,
because it's
guys.
not that we tried as best as we could.
You did
But,
wonderful.
Me van a hacer trabajar subtitulándolo, pero no importa. Bueno, lo va a hacer Andrea, no lo voy a hacer yo.
Now we have to learn Spanish.
Sí.
So contact us.
Yes.
Ahí está.
Where can they contact you?
Where you can be contacted.
You can find us on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook as Come Due Vagabondi.
Acá en la parte de abajo lo pueden leer. Ok, gente. Guys, tell me a little bit about the van. What
so
is
this is a 2008 Mercedes Sprinter. It's imported because we shipped it from Italy. So it's 4-cylinder and it's 150 horsepower.
great?
2002 cylinder. So it's really good on fuel. That's why we chose this brand. And we chose it because Sprinter is worldwide, so it's easy to fix in case something happens.
Hopefully.
Good. What is the consumption?
It's we make like 100 kilometers with 7 to 8 liters. So I don't know in miles.
That's fine. That's fine. we use in liters also. Okay.
So yeah.
Let's go inside now.
And it's about 2 meters wide, and it's about 270 meters high. So it's perfect for us because we're just 2 people. So it's
Good.
enough space for us.
And enter inside the container in case if you need to ship anyway. You don't need to ship
So it's a
outside.
container, so it's perfectly for us. It suits. best.
Perfect. Perfect. Great.
So let's go inside.
Let's go, come in.
She's
Okay, you are going to be the tour guide here.
From the kitchen.
Okay, let's start here.
Okay. So here we go. That's my kitchen. We have everything. We have the fridge. It's come cazzo è? 200 volt.
220 volts, 220 volts.
200 volts.
Okay.
Yeah. And we have all the stove here. Easy. We have small
Good.
space for everything. And gas.
It's propane.
Propane.
Oh,
Il
gas.
fornello.
La hornalla.
The what?
Hornalla.
Hornalla.
Spanish, English, and Italian.
a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
We have the hornalla.
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 There you go. Okay.
Propane.
Yes.
That's good.
They are learning Mendocino Spanish. O sea, español mendocino. Okay.
And we have here all the storage for food. Now, yeah, for food.
Oh, you have plenty.
Italian pasta.
Oh,
Barilla.
we use that one. We use that one too.
Yeah. All right.
Good.
And down here, we have a big tank for the water. So we have 80 liters.
Wow.
With pump and everything.
With the pump,
Yes.
that's good.
So we
80
can
liters.
get the water for the bathroom, kitchen, everything.
Perfecto. Okay. Baño.
Bagno. So we have a porta potty and shower here.
Good. You have the shower there.
And underneath the bathroom, we have the tank.
The tank, the great water tank.
Yeah, underneath
Okay.
the van.
Perfecto.
Slide door.
That's
Ah,
a good one.
Magic one. All
And
right.
we have more storage here.
More storage here, yes.
There you go.
And more behind.
And behind.
More behind.
So
Okay, that's the bed.
yeah, that's the bed. And on top of that, we have
Two storage right here
storage,
for the
yeah.
clothes.
And
And underneath the bed, we have all the storage with
Wow.
for food and clothes and everything.
Wow, you
All the
have.
tools, all the spare parts of the van are in there. So we can get it from here or from outside.
from
So it's
outside
good.
as well.
Okay, so you
Yeah.
can open the
Yes.
back
You can
door.
open the doors. Yes.
As you can see, we built it ourselves, and we try to spend as little as we could.
So everything is recycled.
Right.
Yeah, everything is second hand. Like this
Second
one,
hand,
this one was
second
given
hand.
from our friend. This one too. So we recycled so many things.
Yeah,
to
just a couple of things are
save
new.
some money. Yeah.
Yeah.
Fridge,
You have
sink.
over there. Okay, you have.
So here we do have.
Okay, you did something here that is
Yes.
not okay.
Okay. So in here we have the water heater, which is
Okay, water heater.
water heater that works with power or with the diesel heater that it's underneath here.
Oh yeah.
So underneath here we have the diesel heater,
Okay.
which is connected to the water heater,
So you can use one or the other.
or both together.
Or
So
both.
when we heat the van, we also heat the water with the diesel.
Oh,
so
good.
it's good. Yeah.
That's good.
And we can turn this one,
Okay, it's
so it becomes like for two people.
yeah.
here.
You see here
And this
there.
one, we can-
Yeah, perfect.
Turn it.
Okay.
And,
Also, you have another
in
storage.
here, yes, in here there's the diesel tank for the diesel heater.
Okay, so
So-
you don't use the tank from
No,
the. Okay.
no, we just want an extra.
Yeah, perfect.
so-
Okay.
And
Nice.
here we have all the power control with everything. So we
Okay.
have two solar panel,
Okay.
100 watt each, so 200 watt. And underneath here we have two battery. You
Okay.
cannot see them, but
Yeah, but that's one the car battery and the other one for
no,
the
there are
back.
two
or
of
two
them
for the back.
For the back, so it's
Perfect.
200
Two-
ampere, and then the one for the van it's there
In front,
So it's
okay.
In front, it's another one.
Okay, perfect.
And what else?
And
we
you
have two of sky. How do you
One
call it?
here, and this one is with
the
the
fan.
fan, 14 inches.
And then that's about it.
Outside
That's
here.
our little home.
Algo, un mensaje, any message for everybody that wants to travel?
Hopefully, let's see on the road.
And do it. Don't overthink. Don't think too much. Don't be afraid of it. Just do it.
Let's leave.
Let's meet on the road.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you guys. See you
besito.
soon. Un beso.
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Bye.
So,
Ciao. Ci vediamo.
Vemos. Ci vediamo dopo.
Y así nosotros también nos despedimos de Page, una ciudad que no esperábamos mucho, y aparte de los paisajes, nos entregó esta hermosa pareja que son parte de la familia viajera y nuevos amigos para el camino. Nos vemos en la próxima, gente. No se olviden de suscribirse al canal, dejar un mensaje, tocar la campanita y dar un me gusta. Nos vemos. Chau, chau.
El aire fresco por hoy día. Mañana nos espera y si Dios quiera yo te veo ahí en el camino que no estira, rodando como dados, disfrutando la estadía y momentos